Once upon a time, in the vast and shimmering ocean, there was a young dolphin named Danny. Danny was curious and loved to explore. He often swam far and wide, discovering new places and meeting new sea creatures. One sunny morning, Danny decided to explore a part of the ocean he had never visited before. As he swam deeper into the blue waters, he noticed a glimmering object at the bottom of the sea. His curiosity got the better of him, and he dived down to take a closer look. When Danny reached the seabed, he found a beautiful, old-fashioned key. He picked it up with his mouth and wondered what it could open. Just then, his friend, a wise old sea turtle named Tessa, swam by. "Hello, Danny," Tessa greeted. "What have you found there?" Danny showed Tessa the key and asked, "Do you know what this could be for?" Tessa examined the key closely and her eyes widened with excitement. "This is a very special key," she said. "Legend has it that it opens a treasure chest hidden in a secret underwater cave." Danny's eyes sparkled with excitement. "Can you take me to the cave, Tessa?" "Of course," Tessa replied. "Follow me." Tessa led Danny through a maze of colorful coral reefs, past schools of vibrant fish, and into a dark, mysterious part of the ocean. Finally, they arrived at the entrance of a hidden cave, covered with seaweed and guarded by a friendly octopus named Ollie. "Hello, Ollie," Tessa greeted. "We're here to find the treasure chest." Ollie nodded and moved aside, allowing them to enter the cave. Inside, the cave was filled with sparkling shells and glowing sea anemones. At the far end of the cave, partially buried in the sand, was a large, ancient chest. Danny swam up to the chest, heart pounding with excitement. He took the key and carefully inserted it into the lock. With a click, the chest opened, revealing a treasure trove of shiny pearls, glittering gems, and golden coins. But the real treasure wasn't just the gems and coins. At the very bottom of the chest, Danny found a map. Tessa looked over his shoulder and gasped. "This map shows the locations of all the hidden wonders of the ocean," Tessa explained. "With this, you can explore and learn about so many new places." Danny's excitement grew. "Thank you, Tessa. This is the best treasure ever." From that day on, Danny used the map to go on many adventures. He discovered underwater volcanoes, sunken ships, and even a beautiful coral castle. He made new friends and learned a lot about the ocean and its many secrets. And every time he returned home, he shared his stories with Tessa, Ollie, and all his friends, inspiring them to explore and discover the wonders of their underwater world. Danny's adventures taught him that the true treasure wasn't just gold and gems, but the joy of discovery and the friendships he made along the way. And so, Danny the dolphin continued to explore, always curious and always eager to learn. Thank you for watching.